morning everyone. Introduce me the fifth from the group 2. Today my group will make fruit salad. Before that, I will introduce my friend. To my right, there are Nathan, Cita, Malen, and Sarai.
The ingredients used to make fruit salad are fresh fruits such as melon, apple, strawberry, and don't forget not to make cocoa and cheese. The ingredients for make dressing salad are mayonnaise, sweetened condensed milk, yogurt, and milk.
Next, I show you the tools for making fruit salad.
The tools for making the fruit salad are 1 large bowl and 1 small bowl, a spoon, and a small container.
How to make fruit salad is as follows. Let's take a good look at how to make this fresh and delicious fruit salad. Maybe after you see our recipe, you can try it at home. First, we will make the dressing for the fruit salad. And then, we put the mayonnaise into the bowl properly. Pour in a sweetened tea. Pour the yogurt and the milk. After that, stir until evenly mixed. Don't let the sauce become runny, guys. And the sauce is ready.
Then we just put the fruit that has been cut into smaller pieces. And don't forget to add another. Then we pour the salad sauce that we just made into a bowl. Then mix it well and transfer it into a smaller container. And don't